Hi there, I'm Darl, and welcome to Automatic Business. Once you've got your booking calendar live, let's make it work even better by customizing your availability. Now, what you have to do is go back to your Go High Level dashboard, click on Calendars, find Calendar Settings, select the booking calendar that you want to edit, and hit Edit Calendar, and now head to Availability Settings. Instead of using the same time blocks for every day, in doing this, you can now define different hours for different days. For example, maybe you only want to take calls from Monday till Wednesday in the morning and Thursday in the afternoon and block off Friday. You can definitely do that by simply unchecking this box right here. Now, let's proceed on customizing your availability. Say you want to start your day or you want to open the times from 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every Monday for your discovery sessions. You want to start not from 9 a.m. until 12 noon every Tuesday, and every Wednesday you want to start from 9 a.m. till 11 in the morning, and you just want to open anytime between 1 p.m. till 3 p.m. every Thursday. Now, once you've set your hours, just hit save. And now your calendar will only show people the days and times that fit your preferred rhythm. Now, if you want to check how that looks like on their end, just go back to calendars, select the booking calendar that you have just edited, click on this arrow there, copy the link, and this is how it looks on your leads or your clients end whenever they're booking discovery sessions with you. Now, if you want to check if the changes that we have you have applied is now showing in the calendar, just check on the days and you will see there every Monday you're open from 8 a.m. to 9:30, every Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 11:30, every Wednesday from 9 to 10:30 in the morning, and Thursday from 1 o'clock till 2:30 in the afternoon. There you go. That's how easy it is to customize booking calendar availability in Go High Level. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.